Hi everyone, this is Brazel. Welcome to my world. I am spending some time with Brenda today. Absolutely over the moon. Hi Brenda.
Hi.
Brenda did our butterfly program a few months, no, it'd be about 8 weeks ago.
3rd of August.
3rd of August. And what she came and when she did the butterfly program, we had quite a list. We had weight, we had job, we had house, we had feeling good, feeling interview, feeling powerful,
debt-free financially and
debt-free, all of those. Anyway, I thought, wow, she wants to fit in this course. But you had to do your butterfly how many times?
I got it right on the 5th time.
See, what happens when you do the butterfly program, it's about releasing what subconsciously you're feeling that's stopping you from achieving your goals. And one of them, I think you had purple and orange on your butterfly, or you had, purple and orange. So when people put purple and orange on their butterfly, that means they're being a puppet on a string. And it also means that they're worrying about